Welcome to Udemy and thank you for enrolling in this course presented by ZengoTube. My name is Priya and I am a professional UX designer with extensive experience working on a variety of UX design projects across the globe. So, an introduction to UX today's course. Let's see, what is UX? Well, UX actually is a really popular career option now. It actually talks about human and machine interaction and how human beings are actually interacting with machines in today's day and age. It is actually the job of a UX designer to make that interaction lively, easy, and most importantly, practical and simple. So a UX designer is responsible for bringing humans closer to machines and to make sure that systems are not created without the understanding of human behavior. Next, well, why should you take this course? Because in today's day and age, 90% of the world are on digital platforms. And so it is very, very important to make sure that these digital platforms are as human-centered as possible. These digital platforms are catered for human beings who are comfortable in human presence. Here are some of the main reasons why you should take this course. Number one is an in-demand job in the 21st century. It is the most employable job opportunity in today's day and age. This particular field has high growth. I am sure you are hearing about augmented reality, virtual reality, and things like the metaverse. We all have versions of user experience design. User experience design is actually allowing you to work from home today, and it is allowing you to travel so much more comfortably and safely. Next. Well, unlike the popular belief, to be a UX designer, you don't really need coding. UX research is about understanding the company, the user, and bringing the business and the user closer to each other and bringing the experience closer to the user. Next, well, it actually has a diverse opportunity in the industry. You can do so many different things being a UX designer. For example, you can create new websites, conceptualize new apps, and conceptualize other platforms. It's a great career opportunity for you. Next, it allows you to actually solve business problems in a very creative manner. You are always going to come across different business problems, so it is important to solve them in a creative manner. Lastly, the importance of this course. Well, this course teaches you certain things. Some of them are, it will help you understand user experience design. It will help you practice the different components of UX. I will come to the components a little later. This course takes you through the right approaches to practice. It is important to understand how research works, and that will only come to you when you practice it properly. Next, it helps you analytically analyze a business from a 360-degree perspective. It helps you understand the needs, goals, frustrations, and aspirations of a business. Next, it helps you to create a detailed navigation flow. A UX designer creates an entire navigation flow of an online business. That navigation flow is actually taken later when the development of the website is underway. Last, the walkthrough of the course. Well, first we are going to understand the business. Next, we are understanding the user. And finally, we're going to be creating a navigation flow. Under the business, we are going to understand the business through SWOT analysis, and we would also understand different types of direct and indirect competitors of that particular business. Next, understanding the user. Well, this is where you start understanding the needs, wants, and goals of the user. Once you get that, you bring them together and we start understanding and creating user personas. Based on those personas, we can create a user journey mapping and problem statement for each particular user persona. Lastly, we create an information hierarchy as well as the final navigation flow. These are the last steps in the UX research progress, and you take these outcomes to the next step, which is UI and development.